Meet the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro, the only video doorbell that actively protects your deliveries. With the widest and tallest field of view on the market, it lets you see everything, from faces to packages left right under the doorbell. And Vivint Smart Sentry technology intelligently detects when those packages are delivered. But Doorbell Camera Pro goes beyond just detecting. It can also automatically repel would-be thieves.
Camera recording.
With an audible chime and light ring that illuminates when someone approaches your packages. So your packages stay protected, even when you're not around.
Hi, Robin. Somebody just tried to take a package off my porch. Would you mind setting that inside for me? Thank you. I'll unlock the door for you. Bye-bye.
And because all Vivint products work together, you can also remotely unlock a door for trusted friends and neighbors or open the garage so deliveries can be safely placed inside. Whoever it is, you'll be able to answer the door from anywhere and see it all in stunning HD.
Hey, girls!
Hey, is Tommy home?
Yeah, he's right here.
Unlike other video doorbells that only capture limited moments,
Good eye, Frenchie!
human-activated Vivint Smart Clips don't stop recording until the action does.
Thank you, guys! Love you.
It's all about creating peace of mind. A feeling that comes from knowing that your home isn't just smart, it's safer too.